That I will choose the first question, assign it to Dele Alake.
Okay.
And the second question, assign to Nasiru El-Rufai.
In December 2022, a presidential campaign stop at Chatham House in London drew global attention. Bola Ahmed Tinubu, Nigeria's ruling party candidate, made a peculiar move. He handed over tough questions on insecurity to the governor of Kaduna State, Nasir El-Rufai. Many saw it as a gesture of confidence, a display of teamwork. But in hindsight, it was prophetic because no one represented Nigeria's crisis of insecurity more than Nasir El-Rufai himself. Just months later, in a historic ruling, a federal high court in Kaduna would declare El-Rufai personally liable for the abuse of human rights, casting a long damning shadow over his time in power. The story begins in 2015. Sworn in as governor, El-Rufai promised to bring security and justice to the people of Kaduna. But in the years that followed, many communities, especially the Adara people, would experience just the opposite. October 2018. Following deadly ethnic clashes in Kojuru, the traditional ruler of the Adara, Dr. El-Rufai Galadima, met with the governor to help calm tensions. That meeting would be his last. As he journeyed home, Galadima's convoy was attacked. Some were killed instantly. The monarch and his wife were kidnapped days later. His mutilated body was discovered. He had been murdered. While the state promised justice, it delivered something else, the complete abolition of the Adara kingdom. Their lands were broken into emirates, their leadership dismantled, their cultural identity erased. As the 2019 elections approached, El-Rufai made another move. He announced the killing of 66 Fulani in Kojuru. A claim unsupported by any security agency. The state police publicly contradicted him. Many accused the governor of using ethnic tension to influence voting. The National Emergency Management Agency called his statement false. When Awimi Dioma Samari, president of the Adara Development Association, attempted to speak at a public forum, he was publicly shot down, then arrested. Without a warrant, detained and intimidated. He wasn't alone. The village heads, elders, and respected community leaders were all detained under trumped-up charges for over 3 months. They were locked away until the state's own Attorney General admitted there was no case. In March 2024, Maisamari took the fight to court. In May 2025, Justice Hawa Buhari delivered her verdict. Nasir El-Rufai was guilty of human rights violations. The court ruled that El-Rufai had abused his office, violated his oath to protect citizens, and weaponized his position for personal vendettas. He was ordered to pay a 900. Today, El-Rufai attempts to rebrand himself as a reformer, a statesman, a voice of reason. But the judgment tells a different story. One written not in speeches, but in scars. On June 25, 2025, he is due to testify again, this time in a defamation suit involving the Nigerian Bar Association. Another courtroom. Another spotlight. Another reckoning. In the end, the story of Nasir El-Rufai is not just about one man. It's a lesson in power unchecked, in voices silenced, and in a people whose dignity was nearly erased, but not forgotten.